Hi everyone, this is Rafara and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you all how to, I think it's this glare of my glasses, if I look up. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you all how to create a profile on LinkedIn from scratch. So I'd actually started this right from the beginning. As you can see here, this is a fake name. Um, but then I realized that I did this twice. I realized it was not recording. So I recorded twice from the beginning to now and didn't. And so I'll just fast track you on that. So just go on LinkedIn, go to LinkedIn, create an account. So if I just show you quickly, new account. And so since I'm already signed in, you would have to sign up for LinkedIn account. You put your name, first name, last name. They'll ask for your email address. And they'll send you a link as well to confirm that. They'll ask if you're a student or not a student. You come up with the password. They'll ask for your address as well. So it's very simple, it's very basic until you get to this page, which is where it gets exciting. This is all the juice. So move myself to the side. Basically, here you want to start off with a profile picture. I had already put one. I'll show you how to do that. You go on here, then you go to edit. You can then change profile picture and your gallery will show up. So you can adjust this, but we want the focus to be here. This is not a great profile picture because you want to make sure your face is showing. So if we're taking this picture of the Statue of Liberty, we'd want to take it from an angle where the face is showing, you're smiling, show your teeth, and you have to be by yourself. No group pictures because we want to know who you are. Next, you can then choose the banner, which a lot of people don't do. I think a banner just gives your profile more personality and it's more exciting to look at. You can scroll down to the ones they have already. These banners can also represent a cause you're for, or it can narrate your story. So for me, I'm currently trying to juggle work and family, so I could put that. And work and me time. So I'll put that because that relates to me. You can make your own banner on Canva as well. Then for this part, I'll explain why that is there in a second and why this is there in a second. Then I have a throat sweet because I've been talking for a long time. So now we start filling in our profile. You go to add profile section. Let me see. Okay. Then I like to start off with background. And I like to start off with education because that's where it starts for me, education, and then I went to work. So we'll put in the education. Let's find a school. Let's say we went to NYU. And you put your degree, all these things. Your grade point is your GPA. Your activities, if you were on the tennis team, put that on, or if you are tennis team, choir member. You are the chess captain. You're a busy child. Okay, so you put on that there. Then you can also click share network, which will notify your network on any changes you make, any description you want. So here it even shows you, things you could do, marching band, etc. And you can upload things. Let's say if you're on the dean's list, anything cool like that. Save. Got it. And you get rewarded for the progress you make as you upload it. So now we see we have education, and NYU they have a badge, which is cool to see because now that's there. Then we move on to the next bit, which is your work experience. So let's say I was a tennis coach or instructor. It's part-time. I do this while I'm in school, and I was at Tennis 101. So If it was a company, so the same way we saw with NYU, the badge showed, the same would have showed if 101 was recognized. And I currently work here. I'll put my start date was January 2020. And you can put location. Let's put New York. And so this, when it says update my industry or update my headline, I'll explain what this means. Update my industry is when you post it, it notifies all the people you're connected with can see you have a new job, and they can send you a message, say, oh, congratulations, good job, you know. And if we click this, it'll show on your headline. But if I remove it, if I add it, let me show you what I mean. This shows here, tennis instructor, tennis 101, and you'll get that and that, which at least you want something like that. Then we go to, we add more information. We go to licenses and certifications. Let's say my certification is level 1 certificate, and the organization was the International Tennis Federation, but then that will pop up, but we can just leave it as International Tennis. So if we scroll down, you see we now have experience, we have education, and we have our licenses and certification. Our profile is coming alive. You see, we started off at basic, now we're intermediate. We move on to volunteer experiences. If you volunteered, add it all in there. Let's say I volunteered at Naomi.org. And I was a volunteer. I'm currently doing this. Then I want to add my description as well. I fed 3,000 families. 3,000 families with my team for something, and you add more of those things. The same goes for your work experience. You want to describe what you were doing as well. Then we carry on to skills. And so LinkedIn, with their algorithm, or I don't know what you call it, they bring up skills that people in the field you're in usually have, but don't feel restrained to just use these ones. So maybe my school's teaching, youth development, private schools, group lessons, tennis, camp, and I also hosted family vacations. So I have all these add. Oh, it didn't work. Let's try again. Recreation, teaching, youth, and tennis. Okay, we'll come back to that. I'm not sure why it's not adding, but it does add. I was able to add on mine. Maybe it's my connection. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so now we have our skills down here. We have volunteering experience down here and the explanations. We have the level, the school, experience. Then we move on to, what else can you put? You can add your accomplishments, additional information, all that. And then supported languages, if English is not your first language, you can make your profile in another language. So here, let's say choose language for your profile. So if it's in Arabic, they can do it for you in those languages that you choose to have it in. So then when you have your profile set, you can start, of course, building your network, applying for jobs, all those things. But I just wanted to help you with the basics of creating a LinkedIn profile. I will be deleting this after this, deleting this profile because I already have my own LinkedIn profile. And yeah, I mean, this profile does not belong to anyone. I only created this to help you guys and to show you. If you have any questions on how to set this up, drop a comment in the comments section. Add me on LinkedIn if you have any more questions, or book a time to talk with me, and I would love to help you. That would all be in my bio. So please go ahead, like, subscribe, share, comment, and yeah, join me on this journey of 21 days of intentional posting on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and 21 days of posting and creating content on my LinkedIn profile. Bye, guys.